by an ice jam is expected. Where? A portion of eastern New York, including the following counties: Fulton and Herkimer. When? Until 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 11:56 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, emergency management reported an ice jam near the warned area due to ice jam. Flooding is already occurring. Some locations that will experience flooding include Dilgeville. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood turnaround. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.